Jaguar XF 3 litre sports full luxury pack, and it's mine. I bought it just over 12 months ago from the previous owner, who was buying a newer Jaguar XF, so he must have liked them. When I saw it, I thought, yeah, do like that. He just didn't get enough a big enough offer for the trade-in, so he decided to sell it privately. So I bought it as seen, no warranties. It's done 100,000 miles, which is okay for a diesel, I guess. I'm just turning round. So it was a bit of a gamble. No warranty. It's just like what Sir William Lyon said, in all his cars, it's grace, space and pace, and it certainly has some pace. It really is like a typical Jag. It wafts along, you feel like you're in a comforted armchair, and then when you want to put your foot down, it responds. 3 litre diesel, very powerful. So quite happy with it. I paid £5,100 for it, and I love it. And it's you know how you park it up at the car park or the shops or anything, and you look back and you say, if you don't look back at your car, then you don't love it, and you should get another one. Well, I always look back at this and I think, yeah, that'll do me. There's a few things wrong with it when I got it. There was a big scratch on the front bumper, and the alloy wheels were a bit scuffed, which you expect over 10 years. So I had all those done. I got it up to Scotland. It did break down. Oh my god, I thought, what have I done? Anyway, it turned out to be the alternator, so I had to have a new alternator put on it, and it ran alright after that. When I had it checked over at Jaguar Farnell, they warned me that the disc brakes, the discs at the front were scored. I'd already bought it by then, so that was nothing I could do, but I had those repaired at Christmas, so I've had shoes and new discs at the front. I think that's about it really. Passed its MOT after 12 months. I've been on a few journeys, even though when COVID was relaxed a bit in the summer. I've been to Oban, Isle of Skye, Abbeymoor, so I've been on a few trips. It's behaved brilliantly, so touch wood. I'm very, very happy. Can I recommend it? Well, anybody who's seen my website, YouTube channels, I am a Jaguar enthusiast. I've had XJ8 in the past, so I love going to the shows, and I haven't actually been to a show in this yet, but I can't wait. So yeah, it's I can recommend it. The timing belt on these engines has to be replaced after 10 years or 115,000 miles. So that's quite a big job, expensive, and if you're buying a car of this age, that's something you really must bear in mind and factor it in with the price of the car. They're just in another class, aren't they? They're just gorgeous inside and out, and just charcoal leather. The interior's quite nice. It's not got any wood. It's not a bit. It's not old-fashioned. So although it's a 10-year-old car, it's absolutely immaculate inside. So yeah, I'd recommend it. I recommend anybody getting one of these. You just got to be careful what you get. The economy is not bad. It's £260 to taxi a year, road tax. It does about around town, you know, urban, it'll do 30 to the gallon. But if you go on a trip, it'll you'll do 8.38. So, you know, for a 3 litre diesel, that's pretty good. For the technically minded, there's a full spec at the end of this video. But what you need to know, this model is the Sport Premium Luxury. So it's the top of the range for the XF model. It's the one to have. It's got a beautiful 6-speed automatic gearbox, and with a sport mode. Most gearboxes have sport mode. But what makes this car different is that it's got a dynamic mode. The handbook describes it that the dynamic mode coordinates the vehicle control systems to deliver a high performance driving experience. This setting enhances key vehicle systems so that the vehicle's full potential can be exploited. I think that's marketing speak for track day mode. The button's a bit of a giveaway because it's got a checkered flag as an icon. So what does this mean? It means during the week this 4-door saloon can be used perfectly well for the school run. Your partner can get in it, and she's got her own selections on the driving seat. Heated seats, full leather, very comfortable, very easy to drive, automatic. So during the week it's a nice family car, but at the weekend you can disappear onto the track and have some real fun. My brother is an experienced driver, and he's been on track days and hill climbs, and he's said to me in the past that he likes to take the car to its limit to get that full driving experience. But if you're watching, Chris, you ain't gonna do that with this. This is my pride and joy. I just like to cruise about. It really is a lovely ride. Can't fault it. And put my private plates on it. And although it's 10 years old, nobody'd know, because the models haven't really changed much in 10 years.